Okay, so the first part of the tutorial is let's just discuss about variables and primitives. So variable is something that you can assign a value with. Okay, so let's just have, for example, we have a variable named x, and then we assign it with a. Okay, so when we print x, it will print a. Then we can change the value with b, and it will print b. So it's just really something to store your data. Simple as that. Okay. You can imagine it like, for example, if you have a girlfriend and you give her something and she will keep it, right? Because she's your girlfriend. But then when the program closes and your relationship has ended, well, it will just throw something that you gave to her away. The same with variables. So when you close the program, it will just cannot be accessible anymore. Okay, so there are several types with variables, the data types. There are strings. Strings is just literally a text, so it is with double quote or single quote. So for example, I have a variable name, and then I can assign it with name. For example, my name, and that's it. Simple as that. Okay. And then you have integers or whole numbers. For example, we have x again, and we can assign it with 1 or 999999999, and it will be numbers. Or you have float, which is decimal, so you can have 1.5, and yeah, simple as that. And then if you want to have some operations for it, you have the regular operations such as divide. Like you have x, which is 0.5, and you divide it with 2, and then it will be 0.25. Okay, and yeah, it's really simple, but you will get the concept later. For the variable name itself, you can name it anything you want, but as a rule of thumb, you should really make it meaningful. So for example, I can have all my variables named x, y, and z, and you don't know what the heck is x, y, and z. So it is better if you can name it more meaningful, in a more meaningful way, such as maybe x is a length, so I just say it's the string length. Or you can name it such as name. Name is a pretty good, not really good, because name is ambiguous, like you don't know what name is it. So maybe you can name it like person name or full name. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. On the next tutorial, we will discuss about if and else and booleans. Okay, thanks for watching.